Hello and welcome to pleasehelp.eu. This is a video to explain how to log in and use the customer portal. So you've received your email with a username and password. Please do go to customer.pleasehelp.fr and put in the email address, the password that you received, and of course do not forget to tick that I'm not a robot box. If you find it impossible to log in, please use the email address we sent the password to, making sure not to include any spaces. You still can't log in? Click on Forgot Password, type in your email and then click on Submit.
Welcome to the main menu. Here, if you are in a tablet or on a mobile, you will see three stripes. Click on that and you will actually see the menu appear. On a laptop or on a computer, the menu is there automatically. This is the home screen. Here you can gain access to announcements, tickets, the creation of tickets, and even documents and the frequently asked questions. To gain access to an existing ticket, please do click on the title of the actual ticket on the left-hand side underneath the announcements to gain access. Clicking on the menu item up at the top called Ticket, you will then gain access to all the tickets, open or closed. You can click on any title and you'll gain access to that ticket. Once you've clicked on and accessed the ticket, you'll notice the screen's in two parts. On the left-hand side are all the details about the ticket, who's working on it and so on. On the right-hand side, you'll see details, comments and documents. The details mainly explain about when it's open, when it's closed, and etc. The comments are the comments exchanged between you and us, and the documents are the documents attached to this ticket. You'll actually see an icon called Attach Documents to this ticket. That will enable you to actually attach to that ticket the documents. So by actually clicking on the word comments, you'll see this screen appear. There, you can actually type in your comment, then click on Submit. If you click Mark as closed, don't worry, you can reopen this ticket by clicking on Edit, changing the status to In Progress, and then clicking on Save. Thank you for your time and enjoy using the customer portal.